pala yung mga estudyante sa China. Kung makikita nyo, etong mga estudyante na to ay mga kinder pa lang yan. At kahit mga kinder pa lang sila ay tinuturuan na sila magluto. Marami pa nga ibang tinuturo sa kanila at bukod doon ay pati pagpaplansya at lahat ng mga gawain sa bahay ay tinuturo din sa kanila. Sobrang nabilib talaga ako sa kanila dahil akalain mo yun mga kinder pa lang pero ganyan na ang itinuturo sa kanila. Para sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood nito, ito ipapanood ko siya sa inyo.
Do you know what Chinese kindergartens are like? While kids in other kindergartens eat, sleep, and play games, kids in this Chinese kindergarten do laundry and cook, learning self-reliance. They have outdoor stoves proportionate to their height, and they make their own meals every day, from washing and chopping vegetables to cooking. They eat their own cooked meals with such gusto you'd think they're licking the plates clean. After eating, they voluntarily clean up and even line up to wash dishes. The principal assigns tasks based on the kids' interests to foster their hands-on skills. They start working right after meals, making baskets or knitting scarves for themselves